Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Children, Diwali holidays are around the corner.
Yes.
So, Diwali is approaching. Are you excited about it?
Yes.
Do you like Diwali?
Yes.
I also like it. I'm so excited. I love this festival of diyas. I actually like it so much. Children, when is Diwali this year? Can anyone tell me?
Diwali is on 21st October.
Okay, yes, it is on 21st of October. And can anyone tell me why do we celebrate Diwali?
Because it's when Lord Rama killed Ravana and came back to Ayodhya. So people of Ayodhya welcomed Rama and celebrated with diyas.
Celebrated with diyas. Okay. And for long time after that, we are celebrating Diwali every year. Okay. But tell me one thing. How do we celebrate Diwali now?
We clean our houses and draw rangolis.
Okay.
We decorate our house with diyas and my mom makes sweets.
Excellent.
We exchange gifts. We do puja with our friends and relatives.
Okay. So you exchange gifts and do puja. You clean your houses. And children, can you tell me which goddess is specifically worshipped on Diwali?
Is it Goddess Lakshmi?
Yes, Goddess Lakshmi. Which goddess is worshipped on this day?
Goddess
Lakshmi.
Ma'am, but crackers are also bursted.
Crackers are also bursted, but bache, crackers are so... Are you bursting crackers?
No, ma'am, I do not burst cracker. Other people burst cracker.
They burst crackers, but it is so harmful to burst crackers, children. Can anyone tell me why crackers are harmful? Yeah.
Because fire can happen and scare can hurt elders, young or grandparents.
Oh yes.
Anyone.
See, there can be accidents, a fire. People can catch fire. You want to say something?
Even animals can get hurt.
Yes, animals can get hurt. Yes.
Ma'am, the air quality index will be high and so
There will
much
be more
people,
pollution in the air. You're right,
and so
absolutely.
much people have breathing problems.
Excellent. What is AQI?
Air quality index.
Oh yes. So when air quality index gets high, then there is problem in breathing because we breathe in that smoke,
Yes.
which can be very, very harmful for us.
We are
We can
breathing
all
dirty
get
air.
sick. Yes, we are breathing dirty air. So when we breathe dirty air, we can get diseases. And children, I would like to tell you one thing more. You know, in factories of crackers, small children are working. Now these small children get paid for it. They get money for it. So their parents don't then send them to school. They send them to the factories to work in crackers factory because they get money.
They will say no to crackers. They will not go to factory. They can go to school.
Excellent. When we say no to crackers, what will happen?
They will not go to factory. They can go to school.
Excellent. They'll go to school.
If we stop the factory, then he will say, why I am wasting my time. I'll go to school and become something.
Very good. So do good in my life. You're right, absolutely, children. It is so harmful. I'm so happy that you all are aware, children. You know that crackers are harmful for us. We can celebrate Diwali, we can sing and dance and decorate our houses and make rangolis. With diyas we can do that. So please, you are going to make a promise with me today that you will not play with crackers. This promise is not only for your own self. You will tell your friends, your relatives and everyone around not to play with crackers. Say that we are Jebemites. We feel that our environment is our responsibility. Are you sure you're making this promise with me?
Yes.
And don't forget
Yes.
that promise breakers are shoemakers.